It's another week of What Were They Thinking? From airborne turkeys, missed exits, and lane change roulette to reverse road rage and a Jeep driver looking to throw hands. Welcome to Dashcam Media, where the road never disappoints.
What?
Sure.
Wait a sec.
Entertainment. Yeah, fucking there's a map.
Oh, you just screwed everyone. Oh my god. He's screwing everyone.
I think it's a girl. It's a girl.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
Oh, she realized. Like, she already knew. That's why she's trying to look as far as she
Oh
can.
my god.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. Nowhere. I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you.
Oh shit.
What was that?
That was a turkey.
Okay, Presto. Holy shit.
It's literally green!
What the fuck? Oh my god! Holy motherfucking shit! Get off your phone!
Say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day. Waiting for the moment, I won't feel like I should stay.
Very different, but it's amazing. Really? Oh, I love it. Yeah, I miss home so much. Yeah.
my gosh.
Not an Egyptian woman. Yo, he's going oncoming traffic. Oh my god. Oh! Oh! Hatsa!
Do you want to eat something?
No.
Later?
Oh!
And that's why you don't do that.
Save big on grills, plus 15 to 40% off outdoor furniture.
No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you.
Ah! Fuck!
Yo, that guy just drove on the what the fuck?
Can we watch it fade away?
Fucking God, Jesus Christ.
Can we let it fade away? We'll take it. Can we watch it fade away?
Oh shit! What the hell? That was so stupid. Oh God. What a knucklehead.